All right, so now we're going to go over how to create the media. Now that we've created our agents and our listings, now we can start to create media. Now we'll start with flyers, and you'll notice there is a link that says flyers over here on the left, but that's where you can access ones you've already created. To create a new flyer, we'll start here in the listing section. That's where everything runs through the listings area. So you'll see these icons here under each of the listings, and we'll just click on the flyer icon, and that's where we can create our flyer. Now here's a few different options for various types of flyers to create. So we'll click on the option that we want to use, and here the first thing we'll do is select our colors. Now some of this comes from the agent's profile, but we can edit them to be whatever we want, of course. So let's use the color selector there. Maybe choose a dark red as the background, and of course if we have a dark color for the background, we're going to want white to be our font color. And now we can start dragging the images we want to use. Now each flyer has different numbers of images, and as you can see, the first image will be the main one. On any flyer where there's kind of a large image at the top, that will be the main image, whichever one you include first. So let's go like this, like that, and pick the 6 images that we like the best. So there we go. All this information comes directly from the stuff that we already entered from the listing. So, but we may want to make this shorter or edit it a little bit. Maybe put some bullet points here, like great schools, walkable neighborhood. Whatever, you can pull that out of the description as well, but just nice things about the place, and click update. And what this is going to do now is allow us to crop each image in the correct size ratio to fit on the flyer. So this is our main image here, and we can use as much or as little of the images we want. Now with the large images, you're going to want to make sure you have a higher res photo in there, just so it's not blurry when it gets large. But it's less of an important thing. Now this tall image here, we'll just crop that because that's going to be a tall image on the flyer. So for this one, this might be an example where we just want to show that, depending on what we're trying to convey here for our client. Same here. Maybe we'll just show the kitchen without all that extra space. So now we submit it, and here we go. Now we have our new flyer. So let's click this, and it'll take just a second to load, but here we go. So as we chose a red background, white text, and here's all our nice photos and the information. It has the agent's photo here at the bottom and the logo for that agent, and now we're ready to go.